Our Tkinter Designer features over 20 widgets and is part of the MD Python Designer package. To open up the Tkinter Designer, all you need to do is click on this little triangle in the right hand side, hover over New Python Script and select Tkinter Script. Then we head over to the Programming tab, open up the GUI Designer by clicking on the GUI Designer button and then clicking New. As we can see here, on the left hand side we have more usual widgets such as buttons, spin boxes, double spin boxes, radio buttons. These are more input and output widgets. We also then have instruments, which are not available in Tkinter, and I/O widgets, which are ready-made widgets made to simplify the use of the COM port and also TCP ports. And then finally we have containers. These are not input and output widgets, but rather widgets which just hold other widgets and allow for a much cleaner user interface. For example, I can add the tab widget by clicking on it, adding it here, and from there I can resize it like so. And then I can choose to add some of these other 20 widgets we have, such as a button, a spin box, and also a double spin box. If I want to copy and paste it, all I need to do is click, then right click, copy, and paste, and I can move it to wherever I want. Deleting buttons is also just as simple. All you need to do is select it and click delete, or you can once again right click and then go delete. As you can see, on the right hand side we actually have the widget customization. So for example, if I want to change the font color, the back color, the preview cursor when I hover over the button, I can do so. I can also change height, width, and the X and Y coordinates of the widgets through this right hand side instead of just resizing it or moving it like so. Finally, we also have the event function side. This enables me to directly connect an event function to this button here. For example, if I want to connect the function on event, all I need to do is type it in here, click add new, select the button, and select it here in the event function. The same goes for adding it to another widget, and so forth. Now, to generate this GUI, all I need to do is select the done button, and the GUI code will be here generated and ready to go. If then I wanted to deploy it and package it straight away into the app, we have the deploy button. If I would just like to preview the code, I can use evaluate. Either way, you can have your GUI ready in seconds, and you can deploy it incredibly fast and have it ready on other desktops without the need of the MD Python Designer or any of our products and files.